Good evening, and thank you for tuning in to my weekly update. It's hard to believe we are already 5 days into March. That means spring break is right around the corner, and I know many of you will visit family and friends during this time. So while enjoying spring break, it's critical that everyone pays close attention to best practices when it comes to slowing the transmission of COVID-19 during the time we are away from school enjoying spring break. Keeping transmission rates low is essential if we are to keep our schools open for in-person instruction throughout the remainder of the school year. As we've stated previously, meeting the goal of keeping our schools open for in-person instruction will depend on the COVID-19 data for our community. So keep practicing those 3 W's to help reduce the spread of COVID-19. Wash your hands often, watch your distance, and wear a mask when out in public or when gathering with people outside your immediate family. By doing your part, you can help us keep our schools open for business. Speaking of keeping our schools open, I must say it was welcome news to learn that Governor Kemp expanded the COVID-19 vaccination availability to our teachers and staff. As a result, our district has worked with the Gwinnett Newton Rockdale Health Department and Reagan Home Care Pharmacy to provide the vaccine to those school system teachers and employees who wish to receive one. While we encourage all of our employees to get the vaccination, it is not mandatory. This week, I've invited another very special guest from our district team to speak to you. If the pandemic did nothing else this year, it has shown us the important role technology plays in our schools. Without our robust technology plan, we would have faced additional challenges. Instead, we deployed our Chromebooks and internet devices to our children so our teachers could provide remote instruction to our students. While our plan was not perfect, we are working with our partners to make improvements. We have continued to add to our technology inventory, and over the past 12 months, with our most recent purchase, we will officially be a one-to-one school system. The individual responsible for our technology program is none other than Dr. Adam File, Newton County School Systems Director of Technology and Media Services. It's important to note that Dr. File was recently recognized as one of the top 30 district technology leaders to follow. So without further ado, I welcome Dr. Adam File.
Thank you, Ms. Fury, for that warm introduction. As your Director of Technology and Media Services, I have the privilege of providing direction for our school systems, technology, and library media centers. Our school systems technicians, assistants, instructional technology specialists, engineers, library media specialists all work to ensure all of our learners are provided with access, opportunity, and the resources needed to develop into responsible users, producers, and consumers of digital content. I think we all can agree the last 12 months has created some challenges, but it has also provided us opportunities and resources to enhance our instructional practices. We are working in partnership with our Departments of Curriculum and Instruction and federal programs to leverage grants and federal dollars to provide equitable access of technology for all students. With this support, we're happy to announce the start of the 2021-2022 school year will be a one-to-one school system, providing students with a device for learning. Being a one-to-one school system is more than just the purchasing of technology. It is also a partnership of all stakeholders to ensure long-term success. We have been working closely with our Departments of Curriculum and Instruction with the integration of technology into our lesson plans and to our district curriculum content maps to ensure a seamless transition in learning. We are working with our students, parents, teachers, administrators, and support staff to ensure that everyone knows what tools are available and how to use them, and also to use the best instructional practices with technology. This school year, we have conducted virtual training sessions and on-demand classes through Canvas, which is our learning management platform. We've also created a parent university that you can access from the link in this video's description. While technology plays an essential role in education, it would not be successfully implemented without the women and men in our classroom. Our educators utilize technology as powerful tools to engage students and extend learning outside the traditional classroom, to transform our instruction and increase student achievement. Finally, to ensure a successful start of our one-to-one device program, we need to collect all school-issued devices and peripheral equipment at the conclusion of this school year. Additional information will be disseminated to all families in the coming weeks. If you have any questions as it relates to technology, feel free to email tech support at newton.k12.ga.us. We appreciate your continued support as we strive for educational excellence for all students. Thank you.